So I'm on my lunch and I forgot my camera, so I decided to vlog with my phone. But yeah, I had some errands to run, like I had to run to the bank and just, you know, things to take care of. So I'm just driving back to work. And my bank I thought was going to be closer, but it's actually farther. Like it took me 20 minutes to get here. So I'm like on my way back, but like I have an hour, so it's okay. But that's what I'm doing. So I just got home from work. What? What? Huh? I know, can hear you.
Laptop.
What do you want?
No laptop.
You want my laptop?
Yeah.
It's because I have lipstick on. You want Nat to take it off?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a nap, you guys, because I am so sleepy. You know, you try to go to bed early, so I do. Like, I was in bed by like 8:30, like laying down, but I didn't fall asleep till like after 10. So I hate when that happens. Just hanging around with, what's your name?
No.
1, 2, 1.
Can.
Oh, they give you a besito. Oh, hell no. But this is Vince when he was how old?
He was a couple months.
Little him.
Like 5.
This was his invitation for his baptism, but I'm just answering comments.
For sure.
He's playing with, what are they called, Vinto?
Robot.
Oh,
Robots?
the robots? Oh, that's very violent, Autobots.
It's so disappointing when I like just post a video and then it already has dislikes. Somebody else will get it.
This is what she's always doing. She's supposed to do that. Churro know me. Churro know me.
Ew, what the heck? Why? The mask?
I am Count Dracula! Blah, 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 blah.
Red berry pizza with a zesty but sweet sauce.
That's how he beats up my dad.
Satisfaction.
I am Hamakil! No! No! Okay, no more, that's it. That's it. You don't play no more with you don't. Here. Alright, it's dirty cake.
We're having mole again.
Your mom's having mole.
He's eating in the nude again.
Ay, no voy a comer. Yo no soy. No está queriendo que su sopa no sea así. Where do you want to go?
Yeah. Are you okay? Are you okay? Be careful. So I'm just gonna do my nails and watch my favorite vloggers, The Sherman Show. So I've already done my nails twice. This is like the second color and I just hate it. So I'm going to do it again. So this is a color I decided to go with. It's called Cockatoo's Mystery, which is like a really pretty like taupey gray. But I thought it was a good neutral. It looks green because my blanket is green. But yeah, it's just like a really nice like taupey gray. But I was like, finally.
Oh, esa es mi mierda. Esa es mi mierda. It's a song from Ghost Stefani. Ooh,
That's my shit. That's my shit. But you guys know we like to translate.
Oh, esa es mi mierda.
But I'm gonna go ahead and edit this, and I still have to wash my face, but now I have to wait for my nails to dry because it's already like 9:40, so I should already be laying down. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.